So hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Physics Field. Now today we have just come up with a very interesting experiment based on the magnetic effects of electric current. As you can see that there is a magnet. Initially it is fixed with a battery, and then we are just placing a conductor, and the conductor is connected with the two end points of the battery. Now we can say that there is the current carrying conductor which is moving in a magnetic field. Now, do you know that expression by which we can find out the force experienced by the conductor due to that it is moving in that magnetic field? Now, if you know that expression, then in that case I can give you one small numerical question. Like suppose if the length of the conductor is only 5 centimeter, the current flowing through the conductor is 1 ampere, and in that case the magnetic field is of 2 Tesla. Can you please find out the expression of force and comment here? Now if you please like the video, share, subscribe. Thank you.